Hey guys, it's another video with Cabin here. Today I'm doing another video. Today I'm going to be doing a video about all my fidget toys. So I have many and many fidget toys. Now, I just want to quickly say a shout out to Triple Headshot. Go subscribe to her right now. So let's get to it. So my first fidget toy I'm going to have to show you is this one. So this is my first one I ever got, but it's picking randomly. So you see, I've got a skull and crossbones one that I think is quite good. So I'm going to spin it. That's what that looks like. Number 2. So this one I got, this one was my favourite for a long time. It's this one. So it's like a galaxy one, as I called it, and then very nice spin. One of my favourites. So the next one is one that I used to use all the time. So as soon as I got it, I used it all the time, but it was very sharp. This one. It's a very sharp one. But didn't spin very well either. Oh well. That was that one. So now I'm going to show you this one. Why not this one? So this one was the one that I very recently got. So you can see it there. It's got blue gems. It's like a wheel. Just like that. So, time for the next one. Now we've got this one, which I like. One of my favourites, I think. But, so you can see the spin there. But look at that, it just looks amazing. So, that was that one. Now we're doing, let's go with this one. I hope a lot of you guys know what this one is. So look at this. It's completely dark. It's just a fidget spinner light. Look, the other side doesn't light up. And look, it's not lighting. It's when I spin it, it starts. When I stop it, it stops. So with the next one, it is really recently, like I said, with the other one. And it's a red fidget spinner. I'm going to quickly try to show you the bearings. It's a lot different. So it has a fidget spinner on it. You might not be able to see that, but I hope you can. So I'm now going to show you this one. It's a dollar. So this dollar one is very cool in my edition. You can't see it. Now you can. This dollar one is amazing. Can you look at the spin? I don't like the noise of that. But that's definitely not one of my favourites. This one, a lot of people probably don't have this one. It's from a very expensive shop. That's Smiggle. Smiggle spells fidget spinners now. That's the spin. Then it's just an ordinary camouflage one. So now I've got this one which I extremely like. So I've got 2, okay? This one broke, which wasn't my fault. That bit came off on the fidget cube, the bit there. But then the rest of it is all fine, like that bit's fine, it's just like that. And here's the bigger version. With the smaller version I have a little strap to go around my arm. Okay, so with this one, I would say some of my 2 newest. This one. Got for my birthday. It's this one. Oh, and about that channel I did at the start of the video. Her birthday is only a few days after mine. We are good friends. With the other one I said about, it's hard to open. Guys, you can look at that case and just look how hard it is to open. Alright, so I finally opened it. We got this one. So this is a very nice fidget spinner. And it's rainbow, so when we spin it, has an amazing spin. So now I've got one that is one of the hardest ones to open. Now, my channel is mostly going to be about Pokemon. So I thought, why don't I get a Batman one across with a Pikachu? So it's a Batman fidget spinner across with a Pikachu. The spin, very good. Now it's one I think is one of my best. Has to be in the top 5. It's very cased up, and look at that. And then the spin is amazing. That spin feels so good. With the next one, we have got my last one. So we wait patiently. We've got something. So this one I was just spinner, but it lost bearing. It's lost bearing, so when I spin it, it's not very good. Bear with me, guys. I'm just going to quickly find it. Okay, so it's not there. Sorry, so guys, I believe that is the end of the video. And remember to leave a like and subscribe. And there's two YouTubers that I've said. One I've said already, and two, the number 2 one is down to you. Please go subscribe. And this is the end of the video. Bye!